Hi everyone, I have here today the Samsung Q990C. This is the flagship soundbar from Samsung. Retails around 1800. You can roughly get it for like about 1500 on Best Buy. And so I have it here today. I'm going to unbox it and set it up and let you know my thoughts. I mean, I'm already using the Sony soundbar, and this thing has received a massive positive reviews and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, why not? Let me get one and then see. Here's the bar itself, and it is very heavy. This is ginormous and heavy. So let's remove the wraps and see. Boy, just look at that. Samsung written there. Have the controls here. Hear the click. It's very heavy, seriously. And you look down here. This is the optical cable. I think for service and upgrades and stuff. Have these nice rubber feet. Then you come here, you get 3 HDMI ports. One is the ARC/eARC port, and then there are 2 inputs. Unfortunately, they are all like 60 Hz, 4K for the input. And then there is the power here. Look, this is heavy. I would not. What? I compared this to my Sony, and like this is like 2 times heavier. So you can see the drivers are in there, here, there, the Atmos drivers at the top, you know. Let's see. Oh boy, that's the subwoofer. It comes with this here. Some literature in here. You have the HDMI cable, and then you have the 4 power cables, the same type, and then there is the soundbar mount. That's for this, the wall mount here. And then we have the remote and AAA batteries and maybe some extra rubber feet. Awesome. That's the sub, so power port, and then the connect button there. Oh boy, look at that. That's the back. Just plain. And that's the side. You see the sub driver in there. All the other sides are literally plain, and then you have some rubber feet at the bottom. Okay. Surround speakers are here. 2 of them. See the all metal cabinet at 3 sides. So lights here to show that it's connected and standby, and there and that. So surround speaker. The power is at the bottom. A decent size. It's not small at all. I think it's around about 9 pounds. So the same thing with the other surround. This is right. The other one was left, so it's all labeled. You can see the speakers, the Atmos drivers in the front. The subwoofer just connected by itself to the soundbar, which is great. Now the blue will keep blinking. Once it's solid blue, it means it's connected to the soundbar. The same with the other rear speaker that's over there. I'll leave links to the stands. I got them off of Amazon, so I'll leave links to them in the description together with the soundbar. Let's open the Smart Things app. Yes, so it automatically detects the soundbar here. Press the volume down button. Good. That's very simple. So it's already connected. So done. Let's skip this. Alright, so now I have access to the whole. There's a soundbar. No, so sound mode is in surround. Now I haven't done anything to it, so I'm just gonna take a listen. And using it to listen to a lot of music and watch movies and all of that. What do I really think? Now, my final thoughts really. I think this is about the best soundbar when it comes to Dolby Atmos. You will not go wrong with watching movies with this soundbar. It's great. Like, I really enjoy watching movies. Like, it's almost like the cinema experience, if I'm going to be very honest. I didn't think it was this good when it comes to the Dolby Atmos effect, but boy, it really delivers. The only downside is music listening experience. I mean, I had a Sony soundbar that I replaced with this one, and when I was listening to music, I think the bass performed better than the Samsung. It's not terrible. You can see that I have moved it from the other side to this other side, and looking at the placement, that is just because I wanted it to be in the corner so that the bass could like reflect more, because the other side was more open, and so it does perform a lot better in this corner. But I think that is where Samsung fell short when it comes to this great sound bar. I think what Samsung needs to do is to be able to allow for a second subwoofer to be added to this sound bar, or better still, ship it along with two subwoofers. That way, for the music listening experience, you'll get a better bass performance than as it is. And that is my only complaint when it comes to listening to music. I think the bass could be better than it is. But aside that, every other thing, it shines brightly in terms of the app usage. I'll make a video on just using the app to control it. There are a lot of features in there that you can use. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to void my warranty by adding a subwoofer, and that is going to come in my next video, me trying to add a subwoofer, maybe a 12-inch, because this is just an 8-inch sub, and so that is perhaps the reason why. So I'm going to add a 12-inch to this setup. Even though I may likely void my warranty, I think it will still be worth it. So I'll let you know how that goes as well. But yeah, if you really want the best soundbar for watching movies, don't look past this. If you are interested in just music, it is still great, but maybe if you are like me, who likes to hear your bass or feel your bass more like that, then you might want to look into an AV receiver with any of those Klipsch or Sony or Yamaha, those dedicated 12-inch subs, or better still, even the Nakamichi Dragon, but that also means you're going to pay about twice for that. So you have to think about that. There's always the cost component. But so do I recommend this? Totally. So that's about my unboxing and review of this soundbar. Watch out for the next video where I'm going to add the subwoofer, and I'm excited about that project and going to show you how to do all of that. So if you found any value in this content, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you in my next video.